Viewers, welcome back my channel. Today I will show you a new thing how to paint in Punjabi or ready dress. I will show you step by step cherry flower easily. Punjabi is made here. I have drawn cherry blossom in Punjabi. I will take a board at the beginning. I have covered the board with silk. Usually I work with frames. Today I will make a little exception. I am working by sticking the board with a clip inside the press. If you have want learn more detail, then watch the video till the end. Since I have already done the drawing, I am drawing the cherry blossom for your convenience. I do very visa things sometimes. After finishing painting, I noticed that a lot of video was not my camera. Anyway, what else to do? I'm painting a new dress again. I used acrylic color here. You can use fabric acrylic color or textile color if you want. You can find this color in Amazon or art online shop. I showed color mixing in the previous video, so I don't show it again. I have a tutorial on cherry blossom in my last video, and you will a tutorial how to basic mixing color in the description box. I'm using pink, white, red and purple color for cherry petals. I am taking the paint on the flower's petals with a brush, giving the branches with brown color. I use a hairdryer to dry. After drying, I will work the details. If you give the line to keep the color wet, the color will spread. So after drying, I will outline with a sharp line. I will outline very slowly and carefully. Dark colors can be made by mixing red, yellow and blue color in the large quantities. The flowers will look much more realistic to give an outline. I am spraying normal water here. Water can be sprayed with brushes. You can mix NK with water if you want. Since I mix NK with color, I did not mix it. Those who use fabric acrylic color or textile color will only spread water. I'm using blue to bring the sky effect here. I'm also painting on Punjabi sleeves. I put salt inside the sleeves so that the color does not stick to the other side of the cloth. That's all today's video. Hope you will learn something new. If you want to learn something more to me, please let me know. I will answer you. If this video is helpful for you, please give a like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe. See you next video.